Your Pak Hack kit contains 2 Velcro straps, one long, one short, 6 pins, 6 pin locks with Allen key, and 4 sets of Chicago screws. Please note, when Pak Hack is attached with pins and locks and set screws are tightened sufficiently, the straps will hold for their intended purpose, to allow you to carry your pack or bag on a suitcase handle. For your convenience, as an alternative to the pins and locks, we have provided Chicago screws, which require appropriate holes to be punched in the straps and backpack or travel bag. A punch tool is not included. For a permanent attachment, have straps sewn to backpack or travel bag. Step 1. Measure. Measure 7 inches up from the bottom of your backpack or travel bag. Make a mark. When you attach the Pak Hack straps, their bottom edges should align with the mark or as close to it as possible. Step 2. Straps. Start with the long Velcro strap. It will be attached to the left side of the backpack when facing the back panel, using pins and pin locks or the Chicago screws. One side of the strap, the loop side, is soft. The other side, the hook side, is rough. When attaching both straps, the soft side should face away from the backpack. Step 3. Pins or Chicago screws. Now, insert 2 pins into the strap end. You may use 3 for a stronger attachment. Be careful, pins are sharp. Chicago screws are an alternative to the pins. Using an awl or hole punch, make 2 5mm or about 3/16 of an inch holes in the strap end. Step 4. Attach. For your convenience, the pin locks have pre-inserted set screws that are loosened and tightened by the Allen key. Unzip the backpack's rearmost zipper so that you may access the sides closest to the back panel. Ensure the bottom of the strap is as close to the 7-inch mark as possible, and push the pins through the material. Now slide the pin locks over the pin ends. You may need to loosen the set screws first. Holding the pin lock tightly against the pin, tighten with Allen key and test attachment. If using Chicago screws, punch 2 corresponding holes in the backpack material. Slide the Chicago screw posts through the backpack and strap. Use a Phillips or slot head screwdriver to secure the screw heads to the post. Step 5. Trim. Fold the long strap under itself so it lays flat against the back panel of the backpack. If the strap is too long, trim it. Step 6. Finish. The short strap will be attached to the right side of the backpack when facing the back panel, using pins and pin locks or the Chicago screws. Line the short strap up with the long strap. Attach to the opposite side of the backpack and lay it flat on top of the long folded strap. Here's what you should now have. One long strap attached to left side of backpack and folded under itself. One short strap attached to the right side of backpack and placed flat over the folded long strap. Toss the Allen key in your backpack and tighten the pin lock screws regularly. If you used Chicago screws, tighten periodically. You're all done. Now you can carry your favorite backpack on your luggage handle without having to buy a new pack. And the patent-pending infinitely adjustable straps wrap around other packs or bags, allowing you to get your companion's pack off their back. Install Pak Hack on all your travel bags and carry multiple items on just one suitcase. Pak Hack gets the pack off your back.